So here it is, the Hosa. I'm a big fan of Hosa. This is quarter inch to, I mean, dual quarter inch. I mean stereo quarter inch to the, I mean, mono. I mean you can easily use, I mean, with your, I mean, with a headphone amplifier or with like any kind of, I mean, interface recording. So I'm a big fan of this one. I love Hosa. So let me open this Hosa, baby. Hosa, Hosa, where is my Hosa? It's not coming out. Hosa, bad Hosa. Okay, like this Hosa. Hosa. I mean, there's some brand which I can easily recommend for audio gear. I mean, I already have years of experience now with audio gears. Again, if my audio is sounding bad, this is the best audio I can get. I'm recording in an open hall. Yeah, this is the open, I mean, like dining hall of my room home. I mean, yeah. And made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan. I wish it was made in Pakistan. So yeah, now okay, here we go. Here we go. Come on, like lightly. I mean, this is really very useful. I mean, I can directly plug into, like, I mean, for example, sometimes you do not have an option to have like stereo audio. For example, I'm using the Pearson headphone amplifier. I mean, okay, for example, like, let me show you 1 minute. Okay, can I show you or not? Okay, let me take out. Okay, here we go. This one I'm using. Can I show you or not? Okay, okay, here we go. Okay, this one is I'm using. Okay, this one is I'm using. Can you see? Let me just plug, I mean, like two channels in like this and like this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's simple. And then take this cable and then like this. And this is not the TRS. This is not the stereo. Okay, this is not the stereo. I hope you get the idea what I mean. I hope you get the idea. Yeah. Can I recommend? Definitely yes, I can recommend this one. This is one of the best quality I have seen. It was me, Chimia Geek. Subscribe.